The 2007 BMW 530i. Powered by a V6 engine with a 6-speed transmission, this vehicle gets up to 27 miles per gallon. This BMW features fog lights, dual front airbags, and alloy wheels. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include rain-sensing wipers, leather seats, and a CD player with MP3. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.